Andarki namaskaram. So it's very difficult to talk, it's very overwhelming to talk in front of sir, but I have to say that manamati manaki appudu oka chinna confidence untundi kani naku oka defining moment untundi, and that defining moment has a name. The name of that defining moment is Chiranjeevi sir. Thank you so much, sir, for all the lovely, wonderful memories. I'm going to cherish them all my life. And thank you so much. I've learned so much from you, and you are definitely the most inspiring co-star I've ever worked with. And of course, the most handsome, the most energetic, the most graceful, and the nicest co-star I've ever worked with. Of course, a very big thank you to Vinayak sir. Everyone associated with this movie, the entire cast and crew, thank you very much. And Charan, producer garu, oka cinema produce cheyadam oka level, kani mega star gari 158th cinema produce cheyadam vere level. First oka friend ga, tarvata oka co-star ga, and ippudu oka producer ga. I'm very proud of you. Thank you very much. And finally, I'd like to say that we've all worked very hard on this film, and I hope that you guys really like it. Thank you very, very much, and I love you guys.
రాననుకున్నారా రాలేననుకున్నారా, ఢిల్లీకి పోయాడు, డాన్సులకు దూరం అయిపోయాడు, హస్తినాపురానికి పోయాడు, హాస్యానికి దూరం అయిపోయాడు. ఈ మధ్య కాలంలో మా మధ్య లేడు, అందుకని మాసుకు దూరం అయిపోయాడు అనుకుంటున్నారేమో. అదే మాసు, అదే గ్రేసు.